Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. Full of gems, full of value, change your whole perspective on the market, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, because as we know, man, the market has been very weird lately, guys. All over the place, mixed sentiments, hot and cold. Them coming out with the collapse of the banking, them stopping the pay of them trying to get rid of TikTok, stopping the pay of Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. All that's tying in cahoots back to the banks collapsing. Also, you know, the inflation still a problem, interest rate is still a problem. You know, we got all this stuff that they hitting us with, and you know, just trying to get, you know, my freestyle, guys, just trying to get everything off my mind. Ain't trying to miss nothing, trying to get it all out there, nutshell, sum it all up, right? But anyways, as we know, all this mess is going on, guys. I told you guys when one bank's collapsed, multiple ones are going to collapse, and as they, you know, came out and said, oh, we can't rescue these banks, y'all going to have to, you know, suffer. And then they came out and said, oh, we got the money now to help you. And then I told you guys, even though they had a relief, you seen how the market had a little relief rally when everything was up. People probably scratching their head like, damn, like, what the market, I ain't know it was gonna do that. The whole time I was telling you guys, bull traps is going to happen. The market is very much well oversold, but I'm so locked in and think I know this market so much that even though it's so oversold and it's due for a spike and what we've seen for it to run up like crazy, it still could drop. The overall market could drop 25 to 30% from its lowest point that we reach in 2022 and this year as a whole. Whatever, when we reach our lowest point, it could drop 25-30% lower than that. Same thing Bitcoin from its lowest point, it could still drop another 25-30% from his lowest point, which was $15,000. So be on the lookout for that as well, guys. You know, just the market sentiment, the overall shift of the market can change in a blink of an eye. And usually whenever it goes so superior in one direction, usually the next direction is what you really need to be looking at, that it could go into that state for a bit longer. Meaning that the market go bearish real quick, like it's probably about to go in the future, you know, and sustain itself is going to be bullish. But if it shoots up, not expected, out of the blue, out of the ordinary, shoots up very rapidly for a short period of time, you could bet it may be a big downfall that's about to come behind it. So I'm just sharing my thoughts, guys, trying to get it all out there to you guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and carry on with what's going on. As we know, we're in Best Better Beyond. I sold at 80 cents for a $200 loss. I told you guys, you know, it wasn't right. Something wasn't, you know, it wasn't right. I had to get up out of there. I just knew it from market sentiment, from experience. I knew to go ahead and get up out of there. Even though we done bought Best Beyond at the $1 level, sold for a loss, then bought back in at the 80 cents level, selling for another loss. But this loss is very small. I got in at 80 cents, 81 cents, 82 cents, and sold at 78 cents. So that's a drop in the bucket. So anyways, as we get back in it though, before the takeoff, we're gonna make all that money back. That's why you need to be in VIP, to be getting in meticulously. Get in at the right moment, get out in the right moment. Even if it don't go the way we want it to go, we want to sell for a loss, guys, a quick loss. And sometimes, you know, if I'm not able to alert every single play that we selling out of, because we might get in two or three plays, and I may forget the alert one. Use your intellect and know, guys, as soon as the play is going against us, just go ahead and get rid of it. You can always get back in it. Like after, you know, down 20%, 25%, 40%, I think our ideal spot would be 40%, especially waiting for the best opportunities, ideal play. Maybe even before that at 30%. But just, you know, find somewhere where you're comfortable at with cutting losses and cut those losses quickly, guys. 20-30% would be great. But anyways, we got to make sure we get in at the key levels though, at the bottom, selling out near the top. And not the exact bottom, not the exact top, but you get what I mean. Anyways, we alerted GME today though. Some get back, got some get back with that. We're looking to make thousands of dollars if GME could go ahead and drop a few bucks like I'm expecting to drop. But you know, the market manipulation, everything's going on. Ain't no telling what could happen, right? So anyways, we had alerted this in VIP an hour ago. I bought GME $23 put, expired 324, big drop coming, right? Boom, alerted an hour ago. And an hour later, your boy up $1,500. Boom. 1 hour, $1,500. That's a lot of money for 1 hour of work. And in the future, that same number is going to say 15,000, and I'll be done sold like hotcakes, like out of there, 15 racks. So, anyways, guys, great play with that as well. We know right here, the Dow gives up 400 points. Gain Thursday turns negative. The Dow fell Thursday, reversing an earlier rally as the market struggled to recover from a steep sell-off in the prior session. That's why we just talked about that. We just discussed all that. We already ahead of the game. We already know what would happen before it happened. I told you guys to prepare for this. And you already know what to do, though, guys. Prepare for more choppiness. It's going to be crazy swings. That's why you got to be meticulous and know where you're getting in and getting out of every asset or security that you get in. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you.